How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. Grab your phone and open up Cash App. First things first, let's get the Bitcoin. Look at the bottom left of your screen and tap on your Money tab. You'll see a big button that says Buy Bitcoin. Go ahead and tap that and then hit Buy. Now, instead of picking one of their preset amounts, tap the three dots in the corner. This lets you type in the exact dollar amount you want to buy. Enter the amount, and once you've got your number in, just hit Next at the bottom. If it asks you for a quick verification, go ahead and do that. Look over the final details, tap Confirm at the bottom, and then hit Done. Perfect, you officially own some Bitcoin. Now let's get it out of Cash App and into your personal wallet. See that little arrow icon? Tap that and then select Send Bitcoin. Type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to send out and then hit Send at the bottom. All right, this is the most important part. Look at the top where it says To and paste your destination Bitcoin wallet address right there. Make sure it's exactly right. Once it's pasted, tap on the address row right below and then hit Next in the top right corner. Cash App is going to give you a few speed options. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose Priority so it hits the blockchain right away. Tap Next at the bottom to finalize it, and you're all set. Just hit Done. And that's it. Your Bitcoin is officially on its way to your other wallet. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick breakdown. Catch you later.